Hello everyone, welcome to BeUDMKE Motors channel. So it's Shirley again. So today we will show you step by step on how to wire, start, stop, adjust the speed, and change the direction for a brushless DC motor and its controller. So whether you are a beginner or feel very familiar with the BeUDC motor and controllers, you will definitely learn practical tips here. Okay, first let me introduce spare parts here. So this is the brushless DC motor. The power is 1500 volts, and the rated voltage for this motor is 48. The rated speed for this motor is 3000 RPM per minute. And this is a controller, and this is the power supplier for the controller. It's a DC 48. And this is another power supplier for the brake at the end of the motor. The voltage for the brake is DC 24. Okay, let's have a look at the wiring process. We need to find the motor 3 fixed wires. The UVW, red color is U, yellow color is V, black color is W. And the second one is connect the power supplier to the driver's power input. Be sure to check the positive and the negative. Don't make the mistake here. It's very serious and important. And here we can see the signal wire for speed adjustment, and this is for direction change, this is for RS485, and this is Hall sensors. We will show you later. Once the wiring is complete, let's move on to starting and stop the motor. So first, because the motor have the brake, so we need to power on the brake. The voltage is 24 and the brake will be open. Second, we need to open the power supply for the controller. Open this one. Here we have the switch. So these 3 wires is for stop, start, and the direction change. So here in this direction, this situation is stop. So we can start, stop. Another direction, stop. This one is for speed adjustment. Now the speed is the rated speed is, and I can use this one to make it to be slowly and faster. Slowly and faster. Okay. And for this one is RS485. So if you need the communication, we have the PC software, and you can check the data from the PC software about the feedback for the motors. And you can also change some data here. This one is the Hall sensor. So we already connect well for all of the wires here. So you just connect like this. Will be very simple. This is all for today's video. So we demonstrated the wiring, starting, stop, and the speed adjustment, and the direction change for a brushless DC motor and the driver. So it's very simple, right? So if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on BeUDC motors. BeUDMKE Motor is here to provide you with high quality products and technical support. See you next time.